Baking soda, also known as bicarbonate of soda, is more than just a baking ingredient. Here are some amazing hacks you can use every day. Heartburn relief: mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and drink for quick relief from occasional heartburn and acid reflux. Avoid excessive use. Natural deodorant: dab a small amount of baking soda under your arms to neutralize odors and keep you fresh all day. Foot soak: add 3 tablespoons of baking soda to a bowl of warm water and soak your feet for 15 minutes to eliminate odor and soothe discomfort. Mouthwash: mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water, swish it around in your mouth for 30 seconds, then spit it out for fresh breath and a natural clean. Exfoliating scrub: combine 1 tablespoon of baking soda with a few drops of water to create a gentle scrub for smoother, brighter skin. Insect bites: make a paste using 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a few drops of water. Apply to bug bites to relieve itching and irritation. Sunburn relief: add half a cup of baking soda to a lukewarm bath and soak for 15 to 20 minutes to ease sunburn pain and reduce redness. Athlete's foot: sprinkle baking soda inside shoes and socks to absorb moisture and prevent fungal growth. Hair cleanser: mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with your regular shampoo to remove product buildup and refresh your scalp. Hand cleanser: create a paste with 1 teaspoon of baking soda and warm water to scrub away dirt and strong odors like garlic or fish. Natural toothpaste: mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda with a little water to create a mild toothpaste that helps whiten teeth and freshen breath. Nail care: scrub your nails with a baking soda and water paste to whiten and remove stains. Let me know your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing life hacks.